You know, there are a lot of great neighborhoods in Chicago where people are looking for new construction homes to move into. And builders are putting up small condo and rental projects to meet that demand. So why build in Lincoln Park? Most of these other areas have lower land prices, which allows you to build more affordably priced units, right? But when you look at building a standard 3 or 6 unit building on a Chicago standard single or double lot, regardless of the neighborhood, the buildings are going to be very similar. The size limit is determined by the zoning district, so the allowances are the same across the different neighborhoods. Generally, builders want to build as much as is allowed in order to maximize their returns. But if you look at total returns for condo sales, they vary substantially from one neighborhood to another. For example, a condo project for a 3-unit building on a standard lot up in NorthLincoln Square, Bowmanville, might have total sales of about 1.7 million. A very similar 3-unit building in the East Village area might fetch 2 million or 2.1 million in total sales. And in Lincoln Park, a similar building, the units might achieve total sales of close to $3 million. Now, of course, land prices are higher in the more expensive areas, and construction costs are also going to be higher because the units need to be upgraded in order to achieve these higher prices. But still, the higher sales numbers far outweigh the extra costs, so margins are considerably higher for the more expensive neighborhoods. Now, another consideration is that the buyers in these Class A locations like Lincoln Park are more affluent and are going to be less affected by economic factors like inflation and things like that. So when they want to live someplace, they have the capital to buy or rent there regardless of the market conditions. And if the real estate market experiences a glitch and values begin to drop a little bit, we see that these Class A locations and projects generally tend to hold their value best and are going to be the first to recover. So from my years serving as a bank director and on a loan committee looking at many construction loans, I've seen firsthand that these higher end projects in the best locations always tend to weather market turbulence much better.